Hi. Roots and all.
That scared me a little bit.
Alright, Saturday, and what we have done is this. We just finished up putting, just laying down hardy backers not screwed in. We finished up pulling off all the pieces of wood that the faux beam was using. Pulled out all the old floor. It's down to the tar paper or whatever that is. And we need to take just a little bit more off right there. And it's open and ready to go. Oh yeah, and we finished up taking down the rest of the wall. And the new supports up there work very well now so far. Monday morning. Over the weekend I was slacking a little bit. I got to shave though, so I do look a little bit baby faced again. But let me show you what we're up to. It feels like we'll be moving a little bit slower, but I did put the first layer of drywall. It's a double layered drywall ceiling, and I'm ready. I'm shaping up these so I can go put the next one here, and this is gonna be 2 pieces lengthwise, so I'm getting that ready too. And unfortunately, a lot of what I've been doing is taking out staples, taking up nails, but we're getting there, and I'm excited about it. I am looking a little bit at the support, because this one, and this one, and potentially this one, I don't know if they have dropped since I put them up, or they were dropped from before. I think they were dropped from before, because there's an old crack that goes there and an old one that goes there. It's Tuesday morning, and we've been, of course, as you've seen, putting screws down for the hardy backer, and we're out of the first box, which says somewhere, it says approximately 619 screws per box. So we'll put about 600, I'm guessing. There were only 2 bad ones in the whole batch. And really like keeping these containers when they're out. They make very good storage for my shop whenever I put other screws and stuff in. This is what it looks like so far. And one box did almost all the first half. It's just, I don't know, about 15 screws left or something like that. I don't count. I'll have to finish this up. So these pieces are going to be a little bit nearer, and I don't know if we'll end up skipping a row or whatever. Depends on how it ends up looking like. So we're getting there.